In 2017's version of TopSolid, we made a huge improvement to the security section for client-server use. We've always had a security section, but it was a little bit cumbersome to use. Now we've made it really simple. So here, for example, I'm going into our security system and I'm setting security privileges based on departments. So I have my administration department, I have my CAD department, CAM department, sales department, and so on. As you can see, everything is set to granted. Maybe in the CAM department, I want to deny access to the ability to create certain document types, import, export, whatever. I want to block these users from being able to do this type of stuff. So here I can just quickly set those. And I'm just going through and I'm capturing the way I want my information to be secured within the TopSolid environment. Once we're done with this, we're going to move forward into a project to show you how security is applied. So to begin with, we're going to go into our Projects Explorer. I'm going to show my templates. I'm going to go to my company templates because again, we're on client server, and I'm going to open that template. To begin with, I want to activate security. So check it out. It's all active by default. You right click at the project level and everything is set to the inherited level that we set in our PDM configuration. If I go check a folder and right click and go to security, again, inherited all the way through. Let's check another folder. Maybe on my CAM side, I want to check things. So I'm going to go to security there. Everything's inherited, perfect. But now under workshop, maybe under the workshop, I want to modify the security. Maybe it's here that I want to allow the CAM department users, so anyone that has access as a CAM user, to be allowed to create data, modify data, read data, delete data, change the life cycle of data, but only so much as the data that is located within the workshop folder. This is a great example of using TopSolid's security functions to help guide users into creating things only in the folders they're supposed to work in. So now what we're going to do is create a new empty project using that template. And again, we're just going to show you that all of those security settings were carried forward. If we start by checking here at the project level, everything is the same as it was at our PDM level. If I go to the CAM folder, everything again is the same as it was. And if we go ahead and go to the workshop folder, check there. Here you see the granted access to the CAM department, but only for that folder. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to check this in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to log out of the PDM server and log on with a different connection. We are currently doing this as admin. Now we're going to log in as Terry LeClaire. Now that we're logged in as Terry, we're going to go open the project and we're going to try to do stuff. Now Terry belongs to the CAM group. So if we go here to try to make a new part, boom, TopSolid yells at you, you do not have rights to do this. Security working. Fantastic. Let's try again. Let's go to the workshop folder. Let's make a new machining document. Why not? And perfect. I can create data within that folder all day long. Again, just a perfect example of how you can use security on your client server edition of TopSolid.